All right, so just a little update here. I saw that NMFTA and the powers that be are moving more commodities or items to density based. One of the ones that caught my eye right out of there was I think it was sporting goods, right? Which is a general commodity term, but within that is all kinds of stuff, right? Tennis rackets, skis, in any type of sporting equipment like that, right? That got moved to more of a density-based scale. Now you're going to go, if you ship any of those items, you need to be well aware of how that impacts your freight, because it wasn't just sporting goods that got impacted. There was a whole slew of items on that. We'll have a link in this video so that you can actually see and see the press release on that. But this is going, it happens every year. This is nothing new. But what you're seeing is over time, more and more items have moved to being density based, which means you need to do a better job as a shipper of not only understanding those changes, understanding how they're going to impact your cost, but also make sure you are weighing and properly measuring your freight so that you can get the correct classification on your items to avoid additional charges that will absolutely happen if you do not have your freight at the correct weight, at the correct measurements, and at the correct classification selected when you go to rate it. So if you don't find this out now, you're going to find it out the hard way when you start getting W and I's on your freight, and you're going to start fighting with the carrier on this, and then it's going to go back around the block, and they're going to give you this information, and you're going to be like, why didn't I know about this? So try to stay ahead of it. We'll post the link in here. Check out some of the items that it happened to, but that was just something that caught my eye.